Okay, so we're going to do one more example on this. So they've called this a matchstick pattern because if you can imagine if you've got matchsticks out and tried to form these shapes. So this pattern here has got 1, 2, 3, 4 matchsticks forming the 4 sides. Okay, this one here has got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 matchsticks in it. Okay, so that's how it's working. In this first part, we're drawing the next 3 terms. So you can see what's happened so far. We've got 1, 2, 3 drawings so far. We're drawing 3 more. So this is 1 shape, 2 shapes, 3 shapes. So we're going to draw the next one with 4 shapes. So we're going to draw the first 3. Right, and then we're going to add on the next bit that would create the 4th shape. Okay, underneath that I'm doing the next one. So I'm going to draw my 4. And then I'm going to add on another one to create my 5th shape. Then I'm going to do my next one. I'm going to do 5 this time. They're not individual shapes, so I don't know why I did that. I'm just adding on the 3 sides to form the next one. So that's the 5 from above. Now we're adding on 3 more matchsticks to make our next shape. So there are our next 3 terms. Now I'm going to complete this table based on what you see here. So it says number of shapes and number of matchsticks. So for 1 shape, we took 4 matchsticks. So we're going to write a 4 in here. For 2 shapes, we took 4 matchsticks and then added 3 on for the second shape. So there's 7 matchsticks there. This one here, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we have 10 matchsticks there. The next one, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. And then the next one, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Have I done too many there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, we're only going up to 5. We've got 6 shapes here, so it's confused me. This is the one we're looking at. All right, so it's 5 shapes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shapes. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. And I don't know why, but we're not using that one. They only wanted us to go up to 5 shapes, not 6. All right, so now let's have a look. We're finding a formula for the pattern. So to find our formula, we're looking from top to bottom. What have we done to go from the top to the bottom? Our formula has to start with the bottom letter, so we're starting with T equals. Now let's see what we've done. To get from 5 to 16, well, we might have times by something to be just under the 16, like 5 times 3 will get you 15, then you'll be able to add 1. Well, let's just see if that works first. 4 times 3 is 12 plus 1, 13. That works. 3 times 3 is 9 plus 1 gives you 10. That works. 2 times 3 is 6 plus 1 gives you 7. 1 times 3 is 3 plus 1 gives you 4. So it works for all of them. That's our formula. So we're doing N is our top letter times 3 plus 1. And now we're just simplifying this little bit here with the N times 3 and writing it as 3N. And that's your formula. So now we're going to use the formula. Once they get you to create your formula, they always want you to use it. So we're going to write it down. Don't forget there's a times that goes in here when we sub our numbers in. Now it says find the number of matchsticks, and the number of matchsticks is T. So we're finding T. Right? So we don't know T. We're finding it. And the 12 shapes, that's your N. So this is what N is. So N is 12. So when you get to the N, you're going to put a 12 in there. And then you just use your calculator. 3 times 12 plus 1 is 37. And just write matchsticks on the end. so I know that this work is a little bit tricky, but you can see as we go along, I hope it made a bit more sense. So just come back to what we were doing and while you're practicing your homework. Good luck with it.